Advance tax is the income tax that is paid in advance instead of lump sum at the end of the financial year. It is the tax that you pay as you earn. Now, these payments have to be made in installments as per due dates provided by Income Tax Department. If your total tax liability is rupees 10,000 or more in a financial year, you have to pay advance tax. The advance tax applies to all taxpayers, salaried individuals, freelancers, and businesses. Taxpayers who have opted for presumptive taxation scheme under Section 44AD have to pay the whole amount of the advance tax in one installment on or before 15th March. Independent professionals such as doctors, lawyers, architects come under the presumptive scheme under Section 44ADA. They have to pay the whole amount of their advance tax liability in one installment on or before 15th March. Now you must be thinking as to what are the benefits I get when I pay advance tax to the government. There are many benefits. Importantly, it reduces the burden of paying tax at the last moment. It helps in mitigating stress that a taxpayer may undergo while making tax payment at end of fiscal year. It saves people from failing to make their tax payments, and it also helps in raising government funds as the government receives interest on tax collected. Now the second question comes is, what happens if I pay advance tax less or more than necessary for a financial year? Now, if a taxpayer has deposited less than 90% of the total tax liability, interest will be levied under Section 234B. The individual has to pay interest at the rate of 1% per month. Whereas if you pay higher advance tax or like more than necessary, you will receive the excess amount as a refund. An income tax department will also pay an interest at the rate of 6% per annum to the taxpayer on the excess amount if the amount is more than 10% of the tax liability. Now, one more important question which we come across is, what is the penalty if I miss the due dates of paying advance tax? Now, failing to pay advance tax by due dates results in penalty. Penalty will be levied on the unpaid amount of advance tax at 1% simple interest per month of part of the month under Section 234B. So if the taxpayer doesn't make the full payment, interest is levied on the shortfall amount. And in case of shortfall for payment, interest will be levied for a period of 3 months under Section 234C. Stay informed, stay updated. Thanks for watching this video.